Hey everyone, just doing a market update video and giving a couple tips and tricks to be more profitable. So we're looking at the QQQ 15-minute time frame, and yesterday I have made a video saying that 15-minute 12 EMA is our guide to support and resistance as of now in the past couple days. So you can see that we have bounced off of the 12 EMA here roughly 10 times all the way up to this area. And once we broke here, bears took over, and during yesterday we were looking for a higher low and continuation of the bull trend because of the size of the retracements, but we still needed more price action to know exactly what's going to happen. And so Powell spoke this morning, and now our Fed funds rate is pricing in a 70%, 71% of a 50 basis point hike versus yesterday where it was only like a 30%. So market is now pricing that in. Essentially, that's how I think we have a red day today as well. SPY was a lot weaker than QQQ. So essentially, SPY has already pulled back roughly a 60% on the of this entire A to B move. So this move from the bottom A to B move, QQQ pulled back exactly 50% on the Fibonacci. So QQQ is a little bit stronger, but we're still seeing full bull bear control in the shorter time frame. So the 15-minute time frame, you can see we rejected from the 15 EMA here once, 2, 3, 4, and then we popped over it because of a GDP estimate news, but there was zero bear follow through. Sorry, zero bull follow through. We came back right into it, and if you look at SPY here, it's a very clear 15-minute rejection from the 12 EMA. So you rejected here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're still trending lower. So as long as bears hold that 12 EMA, they're in full short-term control. What the bulls want to see is a hourly bounce in the hourly time frame and change that hourly trend back to the bulls. So we had a hourly uptrend for bulls here. Then over here, once bears are able to break this low here, it became an hourly downtrend. So now we are in an hourly downtrend. So what the bulls want to see is a trend change back to them and essentially set that daily higher low. Meaning, if you go to the daily time frame, let me delete this real quick. The daily time frame, we want to see a daily higher low, meaning a move up and a daily higher low move down, and this being the low, as long as we set the trend change back to bull's favor for hourly, and then we move higher than this candle. Sorry, higher than this candle, the top one, to have a daily uptrend change. But because of this move is so big, the most likelihood is that we get a tightening range, meaning that it would be more of like an equilibrium. So you'll see something like more like this. Big move up, big move down, then we're now expecting a tightening range, meaning it will trading within the previous candles. We're likely to get something like this, where you can just chop around, go up, and then chop down here. So it'll be likely within this area. And then Powell's going to be speaking again tomorrow. I don't think we're going to get anything new other than we're already pricing in the 50 basis point with such high probability already. So we'll see how tomorrow if the market needs to bounce here or not. Well, the bulls will need to have to bounce the spot, because if the bulls don't bounce the spot, QQQ is going to retrace more than 50%, and that's going to start favoring the bears. SPY already retraced 60%, so it's anybody's game at this point. So we're right on the fence for bulls and bears. So as long as we have a red day tomorrow, the bears is going to be in full control. If we have a green day tomorrow, then the bulls have a chance of actually testing these areas again. So the burden's on the bulls. Bears are really comfortable right now. They don't have anything to worry about. So we'll see if the bulls can actually show up tomorrow or not. If not, I'll likely start taking short positions, but depending on see if we'll test the 200-day moving average again, which is the yellow looking line. And if we do break below that, I will likely start taking more short position as well. As of now, I'll just be scalping the intraday trading, and we'll see how it goes.